8 divided by 4 over 3, then times 3. First we do this multiplication. 4 over 3 times 3. We can easily cancel this 3 and this 3. So here we have just 4. And 8 divided by 4 equals 2. But this answer is not correct. Because, according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division. 8 divided by 4 over 3. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for Philip. According to this rule, we can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and Philip the second fraction. And here we have times 3. Okay? So 8 times 3 over 4, then times 3. First we do this multiplication. 4 divided by 4 gives us 1, and 8 divided by 4 equals 2. So here we have 2 times 3, which equals 6. So 6 times 3 is just 18. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 18.